All right, welcome to one and two-step inequalities. It is now independent work. This is you to practice to show what you know. You're going to go through slide number 10. You're going to read the instructions on the top, and you're going to then fill in what it says. So it says 2 groups of students practice solving inequalities. Find the student in each group who made a mistake and use the typing tool to complete the statements in the blue box, which means you're going to click on these and you're going to type in these boxes. So group A, who made the mistake? You're going to type their name in this box. The solution should be, which means you're going to redo their problem, whichever one made a mistake. You're going to redo the problem and then type in this box what the solution should have been, what the outcome should have been. You're going to do that for group B, the same thing. You're going to type in this box, n is greater than or less than or whatever. Your variable on the left side, then the number on the right side. That's what you're going to do for slide number 10. For slide number 11, you're going to solve each inequality and drag the orange piece with the matching solution next to the inequality. Not all orange pieces will be used. There are 4 spots here. You have 8 orange pieces. So you're going to solve this, and you're going to drag whichever one from here, you're going to drag it into this white spot. It doesn't need to be put in 100, exactly, but get it to this spot so I know it goes with that inequality. Shouldn't take you too long. Then you go into this one, use the shape tool that's located up on the top to draw a line connecting the inequality on the left with its solution graphed on the number line to the right. You're going to go up to where there it says line. You're going to click on it, and you can't see me doing that, but it'll give you this little plus sign, and then you're going to drag and drop however it goes. I don't know if those two go together. I did not solve these, so don't do that thinking I did it. But you're going to go up here and make lines. If you're not sure how to make lines, I'll make a little video and put it over on the side on how to make those lines. You're going to make a line from the blue to the orange or the yellow of which ones match. At the end, you have an extension activity if you want to do it. Click the link below to play the online game. It's an inequality online game. You're going to click this, then you'll click that, and it looks like it's a little boxing game right here. So if you want something to play, you can go ahead and click on that. Once you are done with everything, you are now at the end. You need to submit this using Canvas. Do not share it with me. Don't Google share it with me. Submit it through Canvas so you can get a grade. These are the activities that must be completed. Slide 10, 11, and 12. 13 is optional. It's just something fun to do. But 10, 11, and 12 are the ones that I need done or 100% completed before you end. They shouldn't take you more than maybe 5 to 10 minutes each, probably 5 or 6 minutes each, because this one, you're just looking at them. Most of them you can eyeball it and do mental math. This one, you might need to have a little bit of help with. This one, you could probably do a little bit of mental math with it as well. If not, just a little bit of work. But overall, it shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes to complete these 3 slides. If you have any questions, please reach out. All my information is on the home page for math at this time on the bottom right-hand corner. If you do have questions, please be specific in what questions you have. For instance, Ms. Young, on slide 12, I don't understand how to do problem E. That is specific, so I can go, or lesson 9, slide 12, problem E. That would be very specific on where I need to go to help you out. I don't want you to just say, I don't know how to do this. I need you to understand, tell me what you know. I tried dividing this. I tried working this out. I couldn't find the answer. This is the answer that I keep getting. And then that helps me. If you just want me to walk you through all these problems, those are the videos that I did for slide number 6 and slide number 8. You need to be able to work slide 10, 11, and 12 out on your own. But again, reach out if you do need help, but show me your work in the email that you're sending so that way I can know where it is, what your thinking is, and how I can help you. Thank you so much.